Rasputin, the mad monk who haunted the Russian Empire, Russia, late 1800s. In a remote Siberian village, a peasant boy is born. His name? Grigori Rasputin. Dirty, uneducated, and strange. People say he has visions, that he can see into souls. Some call him a holy man, others call him possessed. But no one imagined this mysterious wanderer would one day hold the Russian Empire in his grip. Fast forward 1905, the royal palace in St. Petersburg is drowning in fear. The heir to the throne, young Alexei Romanov, suffers from hemophilia. A minor injury could kill him. Doctors have no answers. Then comes Rasputin. This wild-eyed monk from Siberia touches the boy's head, whispers prayers. And the bleeding stops. Miracle? Coincidence? No one knows. But to the boy's mother, Tsarina Alexandra, it's divine. She brings Rasputin into the palace and into her trust. Soon, Rasputin isn't just healing. He's whispering advice on politics, on war, on ministers. He tells the Tsarina who to fire, who to trust, and she listens. All while the empire is collapsing. In public, Rasputin drinks, parties, and chases women. In private, he claims to speak for God. The nobles call him a fraud. The people call him evil. But the Tsarina? She calls him our friend. 1914. World War I begins. The Tsar goes to the front. At home, Rasputin's influence grows. Ministers rise and fall at his word. Russia bleeds on the battlefield and boils with unrest. The empire becomes a powder keg, and Rasputin is the flame. December 1916, a group of nobles decide Rasputin must die. They invite him to dinner, offer him poisoned cakes and wine. He eats, drinks, and doesn't die. Panicked, they shoot him in the chest. He falls, then stands again. More bullets. He's still breathing. Finally, they throw him into a freezing river. When his body is found, his lungs are filled with water. He was still alive when he drowned. But it's too late. 3 months later, the Romanovs are overthrown. Russia becomes the Soviet Union. And Rasputin becomes legend. A man who rose from the dirt to the halls of power, feared, worshipped, and hated. Was he a healer, a devil, a madman? Or just a symbol of a crumbling empire desperate for hope? History isn't sure, but one thing is clear. Rasputin was no ordinary monk.